Ever wondered what decentralized finance is? Well, let's unravel that mystery. Decentralized finance, commonly referred to as DeFi, is a disruptive yet innovative form of finance. Unlike the traditional financial system, DeFi operates on blockchain technology. It's a system that doesn't rely on the usual intermediaries like banks, brokerages, or exchanges. Instead, it harnesses the power of smart contracts on blockchains. Now you might be asking, what in the world are smart contracts? Well, imagine a digital contract that self-executes and self-enforces the rules of an agreement. That's a smart contract for you. It's a game changer in the financial world, removing the need for trusted intermediaries. This radical shift in the way we view and interact with finance is what DeFi is all about. It's an autonomous, open financial system that's paving the way for a more inclusive and efficient future. So, in essence, DeFi is a financial system by the people for the people. But how does DeFi compare with traditional finance? When we think about traditional finance, it's a system of intermediaries. Banks, lenders, investment firms, these are all entities that stand between you and your money. They control your access, your transactions, and in many cases, whether or not you're even allowed to participate. In contrast, DeFi, or decentralized finance, removes these intermediaries. It's a system built on blockchain technology, specifically designed to democratize access to financial services. With DeFi, you don't need a bank to hold your money. You don't need a broker to make investments. All you need is an internet connection and a digital wallet. DeFi is not just inclusive, it's empowering. It puts you in control of your assets. You decide where your money goes, who you transact with, and how you manage risk. In the world of DeFi, you're not just a customer, you're an active participant. Now, it's important to note that while DeFi has many advantages, it's not without its challenges. For one, it faces regulatory scrutiny. Since it operates outside the traditional banking system, it can be a gray area in terms of legal frameworks. This can lead to uncertainties and potential risks for users. Furthermore, DeFi is heavily reliant on technology. While this can offer greater efficiency and transparency, it also exposes the system to technological risks. Smart contracts, for example, are only as secure as their code. If there's a bug or a loophole, it can be exploited, leading to significant losses. Despite these challenges, the potential of DeFi is immense. It's a new financial landscape where the power is shifting from institutions to individuals. It's a space where innovation is thriving and where the boundaries of what's possible in finance are constantly being redefined. As you can see, DeFi has its advantages and challenges, but its potential to democratize finance is undeniable. Now that we've compared DeFi with traditional finance, what are the key features of DeFi? The first feature of DeFi that stands out is permissionless access. Unlike traditional finance, which often requires a lengthy approval process, DeFi platforms are open to anyone with an internet connection. This democratizes access to financial services and paves the way for greater financial inclusion. Next, we have transparency. In DeFi, all transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. This means that anyone can verify transactions and audit the system at any time, reducing the risk of fraud and making the system more trustworthy. Interoperability is another significant feature. DeFi platforms are designed to work together seamlessly. This means you can use one platform's services in conjunction with another's, creating a more flexible and efficient financial system. Finally, we have programmability. This is perhaps the most exciting feature of DeFi. With programmability, developers can create smart contracts that automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and makes the system faster and more efficient. But it's not just about these individual features. What's truly revolutionary is how these features come together. They create a system that's open, transparent, flexible, and efficient. A system that's designed for the digital age. These features, while complex, are what make DeFi a potential game changer in the world of finance. To wrap things up, we've journeyed through the promise of decentralized finance, peered into its contrast with traditional finance, and highlighted its unique features. We've seen how DeFi is not just a buzzword, but a potential game changer in the world of finance. The landscape is ever evolving, and it beckons us all to continue exploring, learning, and understanding its potential. Remember, the future of finance could very well be decentralized. Stay curious, stay informed.